Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the upscaling setting in Menace. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then go to graphics. Make sure that you select either DLSS or FSR3, whichever works the best with your graphics card. Of course, you can always select off, there is nothing wrong with it. Once you select an option, you can choose the upscaling quality and the upscaler sharpness. Choose whatever option you prefer. I will stick with off and 50%, let's say. And once you make all the choices, simply press back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.